Welcome to DashboardSymbols.com. Here we replace the dead battery in the newest Jeep key fob with a fresh one. The fob is currently in use in the updated Wrangler and the new Gladiator. We will need a new CR2450 battery and the tip of a very small screwdriver. We'll need to remove the back cover of the fob. Look for this gap at the bottom of the fob. Slip the tip of the screwdriver inside and twist. Now the cover is nearly off, so we continued with the screwdriver between the plastic pieces. However, it would be better to use the gap between the flip key and the cover, particularly if the cover opens only slightly with the first move. Nevertheless, the battery is exposed, the CR2450, and it has its markings up. Use the tip of the screwdriver in this opening to get beneath it, and again against the battery. Slip a new one beneath this lip and press it into place. Don't forget to peel the backing off the new battery. We are using a lens cleaning cloth to keep skin oils off the battery, but be careful, the battery can be quite slippery in the cloth. And if you make a final move with a finger, use the cloth to clean it once again. Make sure the markings are up and visible. The back cover snaps back on quite easily. Then, test the locks, and you'll be ready to go. For help with other push-button start cars and key fobs from this or other manufacturers, look for more videos from us here on YouTube. Subscribe to this channel or go to DashboardSymbols.com.